Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to increase your battery life in Windows 10. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then go and do subscribe quickly. Finally, here's the nuclear option if all else fails. If you're using a relatively old laptop, the problem with low battery life may have more to do with the age of the battery than the power setting. The older the battery, the less charge it will be able to hold. Once your laptop battery starts discharging quicker, it would be for the best that you replace it with a new one to improve the battery life of your computer. For best results, make sure that you buy the new battery either from the laptop manufacturer or one that's recommended by the OEM.